Cava CEO Brett Schulman joins us now in a first on CNBC interview. Brett, good morning. Welcome.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
So first, what drove these strong results? Double-digit comps. Not a lot of retailers and restaurants can put that up right now.
Well, Sarah, we saw really strong traffic in the quarter, continued momentum in what we've seen over recent quarters, and really reflective of the broad acceptance of Mediterranean. We have a significant white space opportunity in front of us as we create and define the next, what we believe to be the large-scale cultural cuisine category with Mediterranean, the unique cuisine where taste and health unite.
So I think the question, and maybe this is what's behind some of the weakness, is with the first half so strong, I think sales rising 23%, why are you more cautious on second half comps, predicting that they're going to moderate?
Yeah, well, we're mindful of all the headwinds that are building facing our guests, whether that's the increase in gas prices recently, cost pressures on utility bills with the extreme heat we've seen across the country, student debt, loan repayment waiting in the wings. And you do have a Fed hawkish posture that's looking to temper growth to ensure that they tamp out any reigniting of inflation. So we wanted to take that into consideration as we give our future forward-looking forecast.
There's also the inflation issue, which affects all of restaurants. What does cost input look like right now, and how much are you planning to pass on to the consumer for the rest of the year? Have we peaked?
Yeah, we've seen cost pressures stay very steady, very benign in recent quarters, and we've really tried to put forward a great value proposition for our guests. So year over year, we're only tracking about a 4% price increase, and we want to really make Cava accessible to all of our guests, no matter what economic headwinds they're facing outside of their experience with us.
Hey, Brett, I wonder how you think about the concept, the food concept, in the trajectory of restaurants and the history of restaurants sometimes being volatile trend-wise, and how long and why this should be more lasting than, say, others that were as specific as Mediterranean.
Well, we say this is a way of eating and living that's been around for 4,000 years or so. You know, this is food that is very diverse in its broad appeal. I mean, you think about, we're operating in 24 states today. We're operating in the cities and the suburbs and in small towns. And we've had the ability to appeal to both gender diversity, ethnic diversity, as well as income diversity. So we've seen this over the course of our 12-year history, and it just gets us excited to bring Cava to more communities across the country as we're able to meet the needs of so many different diverse guest preferences, dietary restrictions. You know, if you eat vegetarian, or you want to eliminate lactose or gluten from your diet, or you just want spicy lamb meatballs and crazy feta, everyone can come to Cava and be satisfied.
Do you think the concept can take share at large in aggregate? And I guess, how big do you think it can be? I mean, I'm not saying it's going to compete with pizza and burgers, but I mean, what's the upside on that?
Well, as you see our country getting more diverse, palates are getting more diverse, seeking newer, more interesting flavors. And then you think about the health and wellness trends, right? People want to eat better, but they don't want to make sacrifices or compromises doing it. And that's where we come in. And with our unique cuisine, again, where taste and health unite. And then you think about the fast casual segment as a whole continuing to grow as it really fits the needs of a modern consumer who's on the go, who wants convenience, but they want quality as well. And that's what we're able to deliver on.